Yes. First introduce the name of the topic, then go through this vocabulary.
So, name of the topic. Which topic, sir? Yesterday that
No,
we
no.
discussed.
About this one, what you have done, the work.
So, actually, if you remember, you gave a task regarding to collect almost 1,000 vocabulary in English.
Okay.
So, for that sake, I have collected almost 500, not 500, 1, 2, 3. So, each row has 100 vocabulary. So, I can say there are 500 now. So, I'm still yet to collect some more.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you have also asked me, collecting for technical vocabulary as well.
Yes. Good.
So here we have almost 300 and plus, 200 and plus.
200 and plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. How do you feel when you collect the especially technical vocabulary and the verb forms in English language? How do you feel about that experience?
Uh, the experience which I can share you, that means, so previously even there are some more many technical vocabularies which I couldn't remember oftenly.
Okay.
So I'm feeling that I can whenever I have stuck in somewhere, I can go through this one and I can recollect what we have, the technical terminologies and all.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right now, you get to know the importance of vocabulary, how it will be very useful for
Correct.
doing your everyday journey.
Correct, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. In the technical terminology, you have collected around 200 words. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Uh, is there any possible to collect as a topic wise?
Topic wise, yes, sir. We can do that.
I think so. You catch my point to what I say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right now, you have the vocabulary randomly around 500 vocabulary. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Mm.
If you have the topic wise vocabulary, it gives you the sequence of the information, how
Mm-hmm.
to remember, and
That's
also
correct.
how to apply that situation at the particular situation.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, is there any doubt of that particular word in that particular topic? You directly go to that one.
Okay.
I mean, you keep the name of the topic in the Excel sheet. How
Yeah.
many words you are able to collect words and phrases, whether that is 50 or 100 or 200, you list out all that.
Okay, sir.
Next, to go through second topic. You list out all that one and go to the topic wise.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Got it.
that is more impressive and also it is very easy to understand and while communicating with other people. Is there any technical explanation? It's very
Mm.
easy for that.
Yes, sir.
Even if you, for example, it is available in the docs, I think so.
Yeah.
Even you carry this document to the office. Just every day, just 5 minutes, you go through the topic wise, just once you glance, it is very easy to remind every day minimum 15 to 20 vocabulary.
Correct.
Okay. And
Yes,
also
sir.
you have to know the uses of this vocabulary. It is very important.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
It
sir.
is very important because it is not as your wish to use it. When you know the meaning of this one, where we have to use it in the sentence formation, the context where you have to use the requirements of the audience, or else where you discuss with your colleagues or team members, how to use it as per your requirements.
Yes, sir.
That is also the next to high level. That will be the advanced level where you are going to have that one. I mean, do you know the vocabulary, the meaning of these words?
These technical terminologies
Yeah,
that you
yeah,
are asking.
yeah.
I know many, almost I know, sir. Yeah.
Okay, that you make it as a simplification by giving the meaning of this word. For example, Azure
Mm-hmm.
Active Directory,
Yeah.
mobile device management,
Yeah.
mobile application management, conditional access.
So do you want me to explain in detail or what?
No, not in detail.
Mm.
For what I gave you, especially
Mm-hmm.
for example, just to extend this word B column, you try to extend this one.
B column.
B, yeah,
This one.
extend that one.
Okay.
Okay. For example, come
Mm.
to 10th word, Windows Autopilot.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Windows Autopilot.
Windows
Yes,
auto. Windows
Windows
auto.
Autopilot. Of
Yeah.
course, you write down what is the meaning of that actual word.
Okay. So actually,
Type it once
okay,
in the
sir.
minimum, that just minimum the usage of that one, just to type it.
Technology, Windows,
If you want to extend, you
and
extend the column. You try to
okay, sir.
adjust to see.
Loading the devices. This is simple format, sir. I should remove this is equal to.
Okay. Now I ask you one more 17 configuration profiles.
17 configuration profiles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Write down the meaning of that word.
This is to set the profiles in order to manage the end user devices.
Okay. Okay, fine. Next, about that word for 14th, automated device enrollment. 14th.
Automated device enrollment. It is used to enroll the devices into organization. Spelling mistake. Organization.
Okay. Next, 8th word.
Automatically.
Okay. Automatically.
Yeah.
Next, 8th word, multi-factor authentication.
Multi-factor authentication. It is used to authenticate the end users in multiple ways to protect organization data or resources. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once you read, especially those 4 words that you have written.
So the first one is multi-factor authentication, which is MFA. We shortly called as MFA in technical terminology.
Meaning of that word.
Yeah, meaning it is used to authenticate the end users. So in multiple ways. So what is the exact use of this one means? So if I have a laptop, so I wanted to, log into the laptop.
Okay.
It's a company given laptop. So not only giving the password, in addition to that, we have to enter some more, way of authentication.
Okay.
It could be a call. So if you select a call, you will get a call, and there they will provide one OTP kind of. So we have to enter that one. Then it's a multi-factor authentication.
Okay. Very good. Next, second one, Windows Autopilot. Explain that one. I mean, read that
So
sentence.
yeah. So Windows Autopilot in Intune. So that we are working for.
Okay.
That's an tool called Intune. So Windows Autopilot here, how it works is to enrolling the devices automatically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next,
Not automatically, we can say we can pre-configure the settings. What are the devices that are going to enroll in particular tenant like organization or company. So based on that, it will enroll into the company.
Okay. Okay. I mean, you see, once you see the word, once you come back to the uses of this word, how do you feel about that one?
It's quite good, sir, actually.
Yes. Actually, it is the way you do practice.
Mhm.
In the first scenario, you go through the preparation of the vocabulary.
Okay.
The second scenario, you take the real-time experience of that example, give it the meaning of that one. Is there any relevant example in the bracket, just in the short form, or else in the broad way, you can mention as a relevant example.
Okay, sir.
Then it is awesome groundwork. Within a span of days, we have the quality of working and the quality of communication with your colleagues and team members.
Yes, sir.
No doubt at all. Okay, like that. First you do the topic wise vocabulary.
Mm-hmm.
That is the first. Write down the beside that one. Write down just in the Excel sheet itself.
Okay. In C.
Filter the topic wise vocabulary.
Here.
Write down. Filter the topic wise vocabulary.
Topic wise
Vocabulary.
Yeah.
And its meaning and usage. And its meaning and usage. Yes. Now it is the format. We have to filter the vocabulary, its
Yeah.
meaning and its usage. If you do this exercise, minimum 500 to 2,000 vocabulary,
Mm-hmm.
no doubt at all.
Okay, sir.
Regarding your communication, that will be ultimate level. And also you can improve a lot by doing your journey. Okay. And also
Yes,
every day minimum 20 words, you read it loudly.
Okay.
I mean, you got a book that is something, one idiot, something name of the book is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Instead of following that one, you go
Yeah.
the topic wise vocabulary, you meaning and usage. Every day
Okay, sir.
minimum 20 words, just you work on that one. You go through live example. Imagine the client communication. Imagine your colleagues communication or team leader, team manager, whoever be in the surroundings of you. Just imagine that one and you frame different examples.
Sure,
If you
sir.
do this exercise within 30 days, ultimately you have the best improvements.
Definitely.
Ultimately you have the best increment. Okay. Now do this. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
total vocabulary, let me see. Scroll down.
Mm.
Yeah, remote wipe, MOM. Okay. Real very nice terminology,
Yes, sir.
Prudvi.
Even there are many words that I don't recall oftenly, sir. So here you can see TPM, Trusted Platform Model.
Okay.
So it's a rare condition that we use in technical terminology.
Okay.
So what happens means, so whenever communicating or explaining something, if we get this kind of word, we don't recall simultaneously, like spontaneously.
Spontaneously, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, if you
So
use that
after
type of terminology, you see, once you could imagine practically what is the quality of your communication.
that's correct.
Many people like your pattern. Many people, even if you meet with the non-technical people,
Correct.
maybe clients or maybe in the working scenario, you are able to explain everything in the very simple manner.
Yes, sir.
For example, for what I ask you, especially role-based access control.
Control.
For example, I
Yeah.
don't know about that one. Then
Correct.
not only using that word, you are able to explain the meaning of that word.
Yes, sir.
Then you see that is ultimate improvement.
Correct.
Even any customer or any work that will be satisfied with your communication, with your presence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do this one. And one thing you remember, whatever you do, especially this exercise, you closely connect. Just not for the sake of collection of the vocabulary, doing exercise. Just you feel, imagine your work experience with the client communication, team communication, how this word. Sometimes your team leader may use some vocabulary in this one.
Correct, sir.
Okay, yes, my team leader is able to use this word. It is really very nice word. Give it as a ranking. Green, yellow, blue, like that. Then automatically you get to know the importance, the frequently used word, that is by your colleagues or team members or with your clients, or else with the running any scenario that you have. It is very easy to have that kind of access. Okay, enrollment
Yes.
restrictions, MOM profile.
Mm.
Okay, mobile application distribution, Windows autopilot reset. Okay, everything that once you sort out, once you do the filter, you see this vocabulary will be amazing.
Correct, sir.
Amazing. And the next one, meaning and usage. You see, within 15 to 20 days, you have the best improvement, no doubt at all. No, the more you collect vocabulary, I expect 2,000 vocabulary of this scenario.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
From
you have done,
technical side.
yeah, technical.
Okay.
Write down, right now you have, I think so, 200 or 500.
Yes, sir. 200 plus at the
200
220s
plus.
around. Yeah.
Again, you focus on every topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And again, you focus on your everyday communication, the type of vocabulary that you connect with your audience. Immediately, whenever you remember, you write down that word.
Okay,
You
sir.
add that word. Even every day also, you list out a few vocabulary given by your colleagues or clients. If you don't know any particular word, take that word and write down here. If not
Okay, sir.
possible to list out on immediately, first to type that one in the what you call WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Once the work is done, just within 5 minutes, you do that.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you see what is your work experience. It is really ultimate. Okay, this type of exercise, more than 90% of the people do this. Of course, they have the passive involvement whenever they have the communication, whenever they have the work contribution. If you do this type of exercise within 2 years, you are able to get especially 5 to 10 years of experience if you do this kind of practice.
Correct, sir.
It is ultimate process what we are doing. Okay, is fine. Scroll down. Yes. Yes.
See,
Scroll
if you
down.
see this word, it's been 2-3 months that I remember.
Okay.
Exchange, active,
Exchange,
sync.
active, sync. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You could explain any 5 to 6 words that you feel comfortable. How do you feel about those words while using your communication, while having communicating with your clients?
Which word, sir? This particular one?
Any not only that one, any just 3 to 5, especially trusted devices, identify the protection. Yes, MOM scope.
Where are these, sir? I couldn't find.
Now below that word, below. Okay.
App catalog. Do you want me to explain or what?
No need to have. I mean,
Mm,
you see the vocabulary. Before we take that one, you are able to connect with a few vocabulary. That is heart touching.
okay.
I mean, every day you are able to use that word.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you are very closely connected with that one. Whatever you feel very close connection, just once you look at, you feel very happy that. Yes, so this
Okay.
is the word where I use frequently with my clients, with my manager, or else if you want to go through email, what you call email writing,
Email.
any job application, or else any report writing, or sending the proposal. 5 minutes. Okay. Like this, you see the date. Bread is tapa, no? Bread is tapa. 2 minutes. You see, like this, you do, Prithvi,
Yes, sir.
total vocabulary that you have done. Okay, fine. And come to verb forms.
Verb forms.
Okay. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
You have 100 vocabulary.
So far 100, sir.
Okay.
No, it's not. It's verb form, sir.
Yeah, verb forms. Okay.
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm.
Down, scroll down. Okay. Scroll up. Okay. 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 Now I tell you one pattern. Write down that one.
Yes,
I
sir.
write an email, or else I write an email. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Full stop. The second example. Second
Second
example.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am writing an email.
Email. Okay.
I have written an email. Next to I have been writing an email. I have been writing an email. I will write an email. I will write an email. I will write an email. Next to I will be writing an email.
Yes, sir.
Next to I will have ఒక నిమిషం. Yes, I will have written an email. I will have written an email. Okay. Now total how many examples that I told you? I think so 7 to 7. Okay.
7.
Okay. Then what would you do? You know the type of sentence and its usage.
Yes, sir.
You have to know the type of sentence and its usage.
Yeah.
When you know the type of sentence and its usage, it's very easy whenever you want to communicate with the clients.
Correct.
The type of sentence and its usage. Okay. And I give you one more, especially for the first example, I want to give you one more. Write down the first, beside first example, I write an email.
Here.
No, there itself. Just give it a slash.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. He writes an email. He writes an email. Okay, fine. I mean, I think so. You get to know the difference between I write an email, he writes
Yes,
an
sir.
email. Just if it is third person singular, he, she, each, we have to apply S or
Yes, right.
ES.
Correct.
Okay. For the I, we, you, they, we have to apply Vasanapa. For the in the common usage, I write an
Yeah.
email, he writes an email. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Now you pick up, especially in these pattern, minimum 10 to 15 words you pick up.
Okay, sir. So from here.
Just no, randomly pick out. I mean, which is very useful for you in day-to-day communication. Almost they are very common vocabulary. They are very useful.
Correct.
Which are more effective for you? Just to pick out minimum 10 to 15 vocabulary. You follow this pattern or do exercise this pattern.
Okay, sir.
And also one more thing, it is very important the type of sentence and its usage. How many example we are doing is practice is not the matter.
Mm.
Of course, whether you do 10 examples or 50 examples or 100 examples,
Mm.
it will be the same pattern.
Yes, sir.
I think so your battery is low.
No, sir. It's there, church.
Okay.
Mm.
If you know, especially the uses of vocabulary, the uses of the vocabulary in the sentence formation,
Mm.
that is very important.
Correct, sir.
That is very important. I mean, for what I ask you, do the practice. When you do the practice, you become more creative in the uses of the sentence formation.
Correct, sir. I agree.
Just imagine yourself is not the matter. When you see all those words, many people can say, sir, nothing is there. They're very easy.
Yes,
When
sir.
I
Many
was
people, correct.
when I was in the second standard, I went through all those things. Of course, fine.
Yes, sir.
Practicality is different. Just what you say orally, that is different.
Mm.
That's why everything that may be simple work or major work, do it practically.
Correct.
Then only you see the results. Okay, you go through randomly 10 to 15 words.
Yes, sir.
You follow the same pattern. Okay, do it to practice. Before you do
Definitely.
practice, first of all, you see the type of sentence and usage. Both are very
Yes, sir.
essential. Then you start doing practice. In the next session, I tell you the type of sentence and usage, how that will be.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. Yes. I think so. You have some other vocabulary. Okay. Today itself is okay.
Mm.
I mean,
Okay,
if you combine all together in different ways, you get confusion.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we go through the topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. How do you feel about this pattern?
What I'm thinking is it is really gonna help, sir. So collecting all the technical terms and using in daily daily communication. So when you are communicating with the technical people or who are the people who responsible for this kind of, right. So it'll really help me, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Yep.
Fine. Okay. Do it today itself. Just within 30 minutes. It is the matter of 13 minutes. So you can do that.
Correct.
Okay.
Max, yes, sir.
You can do that. And also you always focus on this pattern, what I say.
Definitely, sir. Yeah.
And also previous sessions, you go through the running notebook. Once you glance at those points before you go to office or being in the office, do that. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
see every day you have the gradual improvement. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, Prithvi.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
See
See
you
you.
tomorrow. Okay.
See you, sir.
Tomorrow may
Bye.
not be possible. Day after tomorrow
Mm.
we meet. Okay.
Okay, definitely.
Okay. Sure, Prithvi.
Bye, sir. Take
Okay.
care.
Bye. See you. Thank you.